People need today is passive income. People need to be focused on not, before you get wealth, don't worry about wealth creation, worry about passive income, not earned income. Get your earned income. Second thing is you need passive income. Income that you get paid, I'm talking to your audience now, whether you work or don't work, whether you go to work, don't work, sick or not sick, whether there's a COVID or not a COVID, a war or not a war, you still get paid every month. That is the only true money on this planet.
My bad. I'm sorry. Here we go. Dang, I wasn't talking that whole time. Oh, gotta add myself to the stage. Got to add myself to the stage. Sorry about that. I've been talking that whole time and nobody's listening to what I'm saying. Thank you, Becca, for letting me know I didn't have any sound. So I guess I need to start over. So let me start over. All right. So right now I'm trading AVAX and Bitcoin. I took a long position on both of them because I saw the technical analysis, and I saw, how basically, like I tell you in the last couple streams, how history repeats itself. If you go back, this is AVAX, for example. You can see it takes the dip. Then once it starts turning pink, you know it's about to turn green. And then you go up. Hopefully you sell at the top. Then once you start seeing the light green, that's when you pretty much know it's time to sell. Then it goes down to light green to the last bar. Red, 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 red. When you start seeing pink, you know it's pretty much time to sell. It goes back to green. Red, green, red. And hopefully now we should be going to green, hopefully soon. But this bar just turned red. So I don't know. Maybe it's a fake out. We'll see. We go to Bitcoin. Still going to be the same way. You look at the chart. Green goes to red. Once it starts turning pink, it's going to go back to green. Once that green starts turning light green, go back to red. And these are the times you need to buy. Once you start seeing like right here, that's when you need to short. If you want to short it, that's when you start to short. And once you start seeing the pink, that's when you want to start to go long and catch these waves. And right now we're in another wave, so hopefully it'll turn green soon, and we keep riding the wave up. And I'm using a funded account on Foxify. Funded account. You start with $100. It's on Sonic blockchain. And once you get your $100 in USDC, you can click on the link below and get to start yourself with a funded account. So I'm just gonna try to make $100 today, as I usually do. Looking good. You see the MACD. It's about to cross over. There we go. We should be off to the races in Bitcoin. So we should be off to the races in Bitcoin. And like I said, Bitcoin's the main one. So once Bitcoin starts rising, the rest of them will suit and follow. 819, AVAX. Should be doing the same thing. There we go. Boom, boom, popping up. 1283. I'm a profit about $48 now. So let me raise my stop loss. Let's go to 82.74. Let's go 82.1. Let's lock in $23 profit right there. That's the least I will lose. Well, I'm not gonna lose, but that's the minimum I will gain today is $23 because I got the stop loss on that one. And everything's looking good. Like I said, MACD's turning up. Next bar should be green, hopefully, on AVAX. And let's go to BNB. See what BNB is looking like. Everything should be following everything else because Bitcoin is the main one. So once Bitcoin starts taking off like it is about to do right now, the rest will follow. So it's pretty much just a wait and see game. RSI's trending up. MACD's just crossed over. Looking good, guys. So now we just sit back and relax and make this money. Any questions, guys? Anybody watching? Let's see. Nobody's watching? Okay. Well, if you are watching, make sure you put a comment in. Make sure you put a comment. If you got any questions about Foxify, I'm using a Foxify funded account. I know they had no sound earlier today, so I was talking for like 20 minutes and didn't have no sound till a couple told me I didn't have no sound, but I got the sound back. And to let you guys know, once again, I'm using a funded account on Foxify. The link is in the description below. If you want to get a funded account, all you need is $100 USDC on the Sonic blockchain. Hit the link in the description below. I got a special affiliate code for my members. Once you reach the pro level, you will get $250 back. Once again, with a funded account, that's the best way to go because you keep 80% of the profits and Foxify keeps the 20%. So use somebody else's money. That's the way to go. All right. Easy peasy. Sonic blockchain, USDC, and just start with a funded account. It's going to bring you to this screen just to show you guys. I go to funded. Let's see, start. Let me see. If you go to start new journey, these are two different levels really you can choose from. You got the first level, which is the one I'm using right now, the entry level. Start with $100 USDC collateral deposit. Receive a funded account size of $500 USDC. Initial drawdown limit 20%. Your profit share is 80%. And then you can just go through you can go through. My order just filled right now, so my Bitcoin just locked in those profits because I guess it was going down. My stop loss was at 86,200, I believe. Journey through 6 levels, increasing account sizes up to 10,000 USDC. Or you start the pro account, start with $500 collateral deposit, receive a funded account size of 2,500 USDC. Initial drawdown limit 20%, your profit share 80%. And accelerate journey through 4 levels of increasing account sizes up to 10,000 USDC. That's simple, guys. Remember, you keep 20% of the profits. So let me go back over here to my account. Let's see. Bitcoin took a massive dump. Boom. But that's why you set your stop loss, guys. So my stop loss was filled. So I locked in 23 bucks profit, I think. Let me see. I locked in $19 profit because I hit my stop loss. My stop loss was at 86,100. And that's another layer of protection that you guys get, just doing that stop loss to prevent these major dumps like that. And then so I'm going to watch it for a little bit before I get back in because everything's trending down. Let me check my AVAX. AVAX, the same thing, took a bang, duck. Now it's coming back up a little bit. So I'm just going to keep these 2 positions. There we go. We're still in profit with AVAX. Let me go back over to Bitcoin, see if I need to jump back in. And I probably did. It probably was a fluke. So let me go back. Somebody probably just made a huge dump. So it's curving back. I'm just going to watch it for a little bit. Look, it's coming back. So there we go. We'll put the buy back in. Boom. Hope I can ride away back up again. We'll see. They always have these little one-offs. Like it was another major dump right here. Boom, boom, somebody dumped. Then of course, like I say, history repeats itself. Hopefully it goes right back up just like this. Hopefully it does this like this and goes all the way up to the top. Guys, got any questions? Put them in the comments. They're going to pop up on the screen so I can see them, okay? So right now we're back in profit again. That quick. So I hope Bitcoin keeps going up. 86.2, 86.3, 314. Yeah, Bitcoin's been tanking. It took a major dump last night. Look at this. Went from boom, bam, down to 84. Damn, Bitcoin down to 84.7. That's the lowest it's been in a minute. Now it's coming back up, hopefully. Wish we could have got in at 84 right here. So let me start my stop loss again. Right, this one we at 1285. So let me move my stop loss up on AVAX so I can lock in some profits. Let's do 1280 right now. That's 1285. Let's do 1280. Be safe because I don't want it to sell at the loss. So as it goes up some more, I'll raise my stop loss up on this one. At 1286, my stop loss is at 1280. Maybe I do 1282. That way I'm locking in $2 profit. I really want AVAX to get to like 13. Just leave me some decent profit. Bitcoin 86,368, almost 86,4. Looking good on that one. So let me do my stop loss for Bitcoin. We're at 86. I got in at 86,146. Let's do 86,3. Locking $18 profit again on that one. Just in case I do a huge major dump, I'll lock in my profits. You see I got 64 points to go. So I'm at like 30 more points, 36 more points. I'll jump to the next level real quick. And I'll get that. Instead of $500, now I think I jump up to 750 or 1,000. I'm just showing you guys how to do it from the bottom. I have another account that's already funded with a couple thousand in it already. I just want to show you how to start from the beginning, day by day. Okay. Any questions? No questions yet. So I guess everybody's understanding, I guess. So we're gonna ride the wave up. Looking good. The RSI looking good. Let me see. Where's my score down? RSI is going up. MACD is going up. Strong MACD. So we really should be taking off. There we go. Look at it spiking. It's really going to take off. This guy's spiking up. We might get to 86.6 in no time. So let me raise my stop loss to 80. Raise my stop loss again. It's pretty much all you got to do all day to make easy 100, 200, 500 bucks a day. I'm at 86. We're 86.5. I don't think that's 86,380. 86,380. Lock that in. That's that. 1292. So let me raise my stop loss in this one. You see, guys, I play it safe. If you didn't take it by now, I play it safe. I take all of my profits. We're at 1295. So let's do 1288. Locking $21 at least. In case it goes down 5 cents, we'll be good. So no matter what happens, my profits are locked in. Okay, guys? No matter what happens, my profits are locked in. And I'm only using 49x leverage and 20x leverage. Now, Bitcoin, you can use up to 100x leverage, guys. So if I would use 100x leverage, I already would have hit my goal. But like I said, I like playing it safe. I'm only using 49x leverage. That's because I found out that's like kind of a sweet spot for me. And 20x leverage on AVAX. Okay, that's the most I can do on AVAX. So I'm doing a max on AVAX, which is 20x leverage. And it's gonna ride the wave. I need to make about 20 more bucks. So hopefully it happens pretty soon. And once I make that 20 bucks, I'm gonna show you how it jumps to the next funded level. And then once you get to the funded pro level, they automatically give you $5,000. Automatically $5,000. Got submit a ticket in the Discord, and you'll get your $5,000 sent to your wallet. Once you get to the pro level, it's like 6 different levels you can get to. This is the first level right here. You got 20 days to make $100. 20 days to make $100. Who cannot do that in 20 days? You should be able to do it in 1 day if you're watching this channel. Because I just started going live last 4 days. And I just started for a new account again today. This is a fresh account that I started today. If you watch the video, but of course, there's no sound in the beginning of the video, but you'll see how I started it off. Now it's going back down again. So should I lock it in? Let me see. Or should I just wait? 86.3. Oh, order filled. See? It did it automatically. Hit my goal, my target. So I already locked in those profits of Bitcoin. Let's go over to AVAX, see how we're doing over here. I think I got my stop loss set at 1288. So if it gets 1288, it's going to lock in those profits. So we'll see. Still looking strong, though. 1290. Maybe it's going to lock it in. Let's see. Just got my first green candle, so I don't know. That's not a good sign. We'll see. Let's see how it holds. Let's go ETH. What ETH looks like. Simply the same thing on all these charts. All these charts are the same way. History repeats itself. All these charts follow the same pattern. Go to Solana, it's gonna look the same. Boom. So you just gotta know how to play the game, guys. Just use these technical analysis, the MACD, RSI. That's what I found out that works the best. So let me check my AVAX, see if it hits 1288. So it should have took my, yeah. I was about to sell it. Let's see. It's hanging on 1288. If it goes to 1287, my order's gonna be automatically filled. So let's see. If it goes down a penny. We're at 1289. 1290. See if we can hang on. Let's see if we can hang on. $12.89. $12.80. Still $12.89. If you guys want me to continue these streams, just let me know as well. If you want me to continue the streams, let me know. I'll do them every day for me too. Just let me know in the comments. It's hanging on. There you go. So just hit 1288. So my order was filled. So I locked in some profits of, I guess there's $31 for that one. So just gotta go over again and rinse and repeat. Now I'll take a major dump. So let's see. I like going Bitcoin. I may up my leverage on Bitcoin just so I can hit my target. It's going down. Now you can also short. Like if I knew this was going down already, I could also put in a short and make money on the way down. But for some reason, I just like making money on the way up. So let's just see. It's going down, down. Let's continue watching it. Now let's go. They may be turning back around again. Who knows? Oh, jump down to 839, 86, 139. That was at 86. Wow. Everything's trending down. I should take a short. Should I take a short? I think it's going to go below 86. Ugh. Maybe. Still pushing down. Arrow's pointing down. Now it's coming back up. Maybe if it goes down to 86, I'll jump back in. Let's see. Still going down. See, once these trending down, everything's trending down, it means it's going down. I should take a short position. Let me see BNB. Yeah, BNB is going down too. Went down $4 in the top. AVAX. Yeah, everything's looking the same, so let me stay on Bitcoin. Trying to find a perfect opportunity to go in. Still pushing down. Damn. Maybe I should have shorted it. Could have made a couple of bucks right there. 86.5 to went down $500. Man, I could have made some money. Still going down though. Does it get down to the 84 level? Wow, 86, 85. All right, starting to come out wide. Just jumped up. It's curving up, RSI. I think the first pink will give me a sign. First pink bar, give me a sign. Uh-oh. Looking good. It's gonna come back up. Nope. It's fake out. So it looks like it doesn't want to go below 86. Go ahead, hit 86 again. There's an 85. Man, I should buy right here. I should buy in right here. 86.95. 85, 913. 932. That's 939. 942, 950. Almost at the bottom of the RSI. Oversold. Man, it just don't know what they want to do. So I think 86 may be the bottom. So that may be the bottom. Let's see. Yeah, looking like it's trending up. There's the first pink. So let me go ahead and buy. Let's ride it back up, guys. Let's ride it back up. Let me check AVAX. Should be doing the same thing. Yep. So let me put a little buy in this AVAX again. Oh, it's a 73 AVAX. Let's see. Look at it. 1288. $12.88. Remember that. So I got AVAX in and Bitcoin back in again. See if we can take it up some. Just hope it wasn't a fluke. 86, 182. $6,215. Nice little jump. 237. All right, so let me start locking in my profits again. We are 86 2. 250. I'm already at 86 200. Just lock that in. Locked in 86 2. Oh, so that was quick. Sold that one out. So I locked in those profits that quick. Let me guess I gotta rinse and repeat. I need to go back in again. I should have waited to put my stop loss in. Let's see. It wants to go. It's curving up. 86 1. 154. It is stagnant, man. 173. Let's do it. Boom. 86 085. I got an 8680. Uh-oh. I think 86 to floor, so hopefully it doesn't go too far down. I'm in a negative. Uh-oh. This should be the floor right here, so I feel kind of still feel good. A big push down. Negative 125. AVAX. Go back to AVAX. Still at 880, 1280. Ethereum probably the same way. 2813. We're all over the place today. So at least I think hopefully I got the bottom. This is a wait and see game. Who's watching? Give me some comments. That's what's going on today. Uh-oh. Just hit the bottom. See, my drawdown's halfway, 11%. This gets to 20%. I'll lose my $100 and I gotta fight another day. It's right there. Should have waited to the bottom. Right there, almost at the bottom. 85, 870 is the bottom. I think pretty much. There we go. Just turned pink. So that gave me some confirmation at least that the 85, 870 is the bottom. Feel good about that. Oh, let's see. Got the volume. Just need to go the right way. Okay. But that's why you set your stop loss. So let me set my stop loss so I don't know. If I do lose, I won't go below 80. So 85, say 85. 580, I think is the bottom. Let me see what I had it at. 85, 870. That's the bottom. That way, at least I'm only gonna lose $40. If it gets to that level. Maybe 86.34. Checking comments. No comments. Okay. Still got one person watching. All right, it's on the curve. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Curve to the green, baby. Let's ride this thing back up. Take some profits again. $86.45. $86.31. Why does this say 86.07? This says 86.85. AVAX ain't moving at all. It's just stagnant at 1287. Huh? 1287. I got in at 1288. I need some bullish news to come out. Spike that thing back up. Spike it up to 86.6. That was the high for the day. 86.6 the high. Just bouncing around. Just stuck at 86. Who's watching? I got one view. Everybody's at work yesterday. Back to work, Cyber Monday. Do some online shopping, some online deals. All right, there we go. See, looking back, turn around again. RSI shooting up. MACD shooting up. The next bar should be green down here, hopefully. There it goes. 86.3. All right, let me raise my stop loss. Let's do 86 at least. 86.1 maybe. 86.1. All right, AVAX is coming around. You know, all these cryptos follow the same pattern. I should just use one. I should just use Bitcoin. Just trade, sell Bitcoin. $86.2. Where's my stop loss? 86.1. Ugh. Get back to 86.5. $86.173. I stop loss at 86.1. I'm streaming for about 15 more minutes. That'll give me to what, an hour streaming. And just see how it goes. I need Michael Saylor to come in and buy a couple billion Bitcoin. Jump up to 88 or something. My stop loss about to hit 20 more bucks. 713. Yeah, it's about, there you go. Damn. All right, so just locked in a little $2, $5, I think. AVAX is still chugging along at 1288. Let's go back down again. Let's see if it goes down to 85, 870. Let's go. Mm-mm-mm. 86. So I'm gonna get down to 85. Uh-oh. 85, 974. 85, 870 should be the bottom. Let's see. I'm taking off again. So how fast I jumped up. How fast it jumped down? 86.55. It's jumped down 150 bucks. Now back down to 86. Almost at that 85, 870. Is it gonna make it? I don't want to go below 86. So I'm taking 86 is definitely the floor today. It's trying to get down to the 85 level. 86.11. 86.10. 86.04. There we go. 85. Wow. Wow. Is it going to get down to 86, 85, 870? No. I guess I should buy right here. Go back in, huh? Man. 85, 970. This should be the bottom. 30 more bucks. $55 more the bottom. Damn. There you go. 85, 881. It's pushing down still. Everything's trending down. 85.8. Still ain't hit the 85, 870. $85, 822. Wow. Let's go by. We'll see. I either lose it or I gain it back. So I'm assuming AVAX is down too, huh? Yeah. $3. $85.7. That's almost the lowest it's been. Wow. This should definitely be the bottom. My drawdown's not looking good. 16%. Only got 4% to spare. It's trying to get back up to the 86. Come on, Bitcoin, brother. Guess they move my line down to here now. Whew. Dizzy spittle. I'm checking my AVAX. AVAX down $3 still. $2 and $3, $5, $4. Man, it's not I've been streaming now. 53 minutes. About 7 more minutes. Mm. 85,850. $85,850. I think Bitcoin is confused today. So much stuff going on. I think it might just trade between 86 and 85. 86 and 85 today. Let's see what big BNB. Same. 817. Got down to about 815. Okay. 225 for K. Whew. Got down to 224. Let's go. It's a wait and see game, man. Either you're going to make it or you're not going to make it. That's why I like to start with $100. It's not that much of a deal. $100 with a funded account get you 500. Hopefully it works out. I think I'm just going to set my stop loss at 86. Let's see. Liquidation is at 84,000. So Bitcoin gets to 84,000. I lose all my money. Do I think Bitcoins get to 84,000 a day? I don't think so. It's kind of far-fetched. So I got in at 85,828. Let's do 85. All right, to my stop loss at 85,650. That way I only lose $34 and I'll come back a couple hours later today, see what we're looking at. But I've been streaming for almost an hour, 57 minutes. Excuse me. $85,650. I'm gonna keep my AVAX. That AVAX ain't going below that 1260. I'll set this up too, huh? Maybe at 1285, 1283. I don't think it's going up to 1275. That's safe to say. All right, someone with a $9 so far. It's not bad. Things can turn around easy. Look at now. We're already at 85.82. 85.850. Things starting to look positive. We'll see. At least I'm only down $10. Well, I'll say $12, $13, $15. It's not bad. Guess let's take another hit. 8, 5, 7, 29. We at 2 minutes. I got 5% to spare. Let's go. Damn it. All right, my stop loss is hit. So I guess I call it a wrap. And my AVAX stop loss is hit. All right, guys, a wrap. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks for those that tuned in.